How to move a board to another workspace on Trello. So let's get started. I'm gonna demonstrate this on these two workspaces, workspace number 1 and workspace number 2. In workspace number 1, we got the board, open it, and what you need to do is click on these three dots, then find settings, and under workspace, you can see workspace number 1. You can easily change it by clicking on it, and if you click on it again, you can switch to workspace number 2. You just need to confirm, click on change, and that's it. This is how can you do it. And if we go back, workspace number 1 is empty, and now we got our board in workspace number 2. Here we go. And this is how can you do it. So I'm gonna show you one more time. I'm gonna move it back. Open your board, click on these three dots, settings, workspace, and now you can choose here your workspace. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you later.